Idaho Cellular and Repair leads the way with cell phone repair in the Valley. We've been here at the Valley for 5 years now. We repair all kinds of cell phones and also offer accessories. Our website displays a few of our products and services. We're able to assist you with anything from water damage to photo transfers. Our prices are also available on our website. Feel free to contact us with any questions you might have. We look forward to helping you with any of your cell phone needs. For more information, give us a call at 208-362-7664 or visit our website at idahocellularandrepair.com.
Idaho Cellular and Repair has been in business for 6 years. We repair water damage, we repair LCDs, broken LCDs, iPods, Nanos, iPads. We do sell used phones and accessories, and we have 2 locations. If we can help you in any of your cell phone needs, please come in and visit us.
When it's all your fault, you can find someone else to blame, or just come into Idaho Cellular and Repair. Bring your water damaged phone into Idaho's original cellular repair company, Idaho Cellular and Repair, in Boise and Nampa, or online at idahocellularandrepair.com.
Idaho Cellular and Repair has been in business for 6 years. We've started cell phone repair business in Idaho. We repair water damage, broken LCDs, iPods, Nanos, iPads, and we have 2 locations, Boise on Fairview in Milwaukee, and Nampa out at Edwards Cinema Plaza. If we can help you in any of your cell phone needs, please come in and visit us.